Greetings and welcome back to
The Zak
and Buzz
Review.
And today we are having a quick review on,
the Fubar FatMax 2.
yes, as you can see there is a old outbuilding behind us and we're taking it apart. Okay, so I'm going to pass over to Zak. Okay, so Zak's behind the camera and I have a traditional pry bar which I have also been using, but I have the FatMax. And this is a beast. I mean, you know, I was trying to pry this apart starting, and then Zak reminded me, why don't you go for the FatMax? And this thing is a beast. I mean, we're talking beast. Look at the way it's just smashing its way through, ripping its way through, taking this thing apart. Oh man, I couldn't walk for a better tool than this. Look at that, just smashes it apart, wrenches it apart. Look at that, coming apart as if it isn't even there. Oh, this is amazing.
You're taking that shed out, aren't you?
Yeah. I mean, this is good, okay, this is good. Boom, boom, boom. Normally you'd bash something on the end of it. Ha! Old days. This thing. Absolutely crazy this thing is. Oh, there goes the door. Absolutely amazing. If you want to take something apart, that's what you want. A FatMax Fubar.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yeah!